Um, Yo, my name's Ken. I'm a. Who am I? I'm a person on planet Earth. Well, I do things. I am a programmer. I write a lots of code. I spend a lot of time writing code. I do that for my full time job. I work for some U.S. corporation. It's really comfortable there. I like being there. Um, I'm a senior, so I manage a team of other engineers. I get to mentor them in a sense, which is really cool. I like that. I'm a cliche digital nomad. I travel the world. Right now, I'm in Buenos Aires, Argentina. Really big city. I love it here. Um, Actually, that CEO from Coinbase, Brian something, he spent a lot of time here, which is really interesting. I saw a documentary on that recently, but I like it here because it used to be cheap. It's not that much. It's not that cheap anymore. But the people are friendly. I speak a little Spanish, and the city is beautiful, safe, it's clean. I've been here on and off for about a year now, and I love living here. I have lots of friends here. I'll be traveling in 2025. I'll be going a bunch of places, but for now, I'm just posted up here. I stay inside a lot. I write code for my full time job, and I have a side project that I want to make this channel about. I want to make this channel about my side project, and my side project is developing in like a quant hedge fund. Um, I want to leverage AI. I've been using I've been using LangChain a lot to interact with LLMs. I've been really interested in agentic frameworks, and I just like love seeing where all this is going. I've been using multimodality, image processing, text processing, to um, using them as tools, basically, for these LLMs. And this project or this channel, I want to document what I've been doing. And I'm not sure why. I'm not like trying to make money, I guess, off of this channel. I am just trying to like be informative, share my journey, document it, because I think that it's like kind of a it's like a hot thing right now. People are so interested in AI. People are so interested in day trading, cryptocurrencies, etc. And I am too. I'm just another cliche crypto digital nomad, bro. And yeah, I don't think I'm special or unique. I definitely think that I'm one of many. And so I don't like spending time editing videos. It's like takes so much time, and I'm sure there's AI tools, but this is gonna for the most part be unedited and unfiltered. And basically, I'm in the process of creating this quant, and I have a friend who has a like shell company in Dubai, and so I'm gonna be using that company so that I can trade legally and legit um, forex markets for now, probably index funds, also crypto eventually. I started using when I started my algo journey, I was trading crypto. I was using FTX, Binance APIs, and that was going really well until the FTX collapse, and I lost a little bit of money, and I was like, all right, I need to figure out a way around these black swans, and yeah, so I've been going the more, I guess, traditional route. I'm using my stack right now is MT5, and I'm using expert advisors. So I'm going to be talking a little bit about that on this channel, and I will, mm, yeah, I guess I'll go into more detail about that in a later video. This is more just like an intro, like who I am, what I'm doing.